My name is Craig Justice. I'm president of Alliance International, and I've come back to school today to discuss an exciting new education product called the HoverCam. The HoverCam is what is called a document camera, and it has many, many uses in the classroom. What's unique about this one in particular is it has very, very high resolution and the price. And typically, people would expect to pay well over $500 for a product like this. What it's used for is for capturing images of books, of documents, of homework assignments, and also showing live images. What teachers do is they hook this up to their projector, and they project it on a large screen for everyone in the classroom to see. I first saw this product at the California Q conference. That's an exposition for computer-using educators. And a number of friends of mine came to me and they said, "You ought to go and look at this." And I did, and I was amazed by the image quality. Well, last week at the ISTE show in Denver, I was there and I saw dozens of teachers spending their own money to buy this thing because the image quality is amazing. It's useful in the classrooms, and it's very, very affordable. So let's learn more about the HoverCam. Let me show you how easy this thing is to set up. All I need is a USB cable, which is included with it. I plug one end into the computer. By the way, this works with Macs and PCs. And then I plug the other end into the unit here. And the power is supplied by the PC, so you don't need another power cord. Then I just flip this up, and I'm ready to go. The HoverCam allows me to show all kinds of objects and papers and documents to the classroom. Well, here's a few right here I have on my desk. Here's a certificate right here. I put this down. It comes out on my screen and also to the projector that this is hooked up to. How about a 3D object? Well, here's an apple for the teacher. And there we go, bright image right on the screen. Some 3D objects. Hey, it's the World Cup. One of my favorite uses of the product is to show my iPhone. Go ahead and turn that on. The iPhone comes up. And there we go. We can have all the applications. So it's a way for me to share what's on this tiny screen with the whole class. And they can see exactly what I'm doing and see it very, very clearly. And finally, I like to use for newspapers quite a lot. Here's the New York Times. And what's interesting about it is I get a full image here on the screen, and the text is very, very clear. It's very readable because of the high quality of the camera.
Sure.
HoverCam has announced a new product called the Kudos 3, which is different than the other unit right here. First of all, it's smaller. So you can see it's about half the size. Then when we open it up, you can see that there's actually two cameras. There's one camera right here, and then there's another camera right there. With that camera, I can use that for headshots. So for example, if I'm here writing a lesson or recording a lesson, my head can appear as a picture-in-picture within the video that I make. I can also use it as a webcam. The HoverCam is just such an amazing product with its high image quality. And the best thing about it is the price. It's only $179. The vision of the company is to see one of these in every classroom. And I think at that price point, it goes a long way to making that happen.